Imagine standing in front of hundreds of people, heart racing, palms sweaty, and thinking, "I can't do this." But what if I told you there's a way to turn that fear into your greatest strength? We all know the feeling: shallow breathing, dry mouth, upset stomach. It's the fight or flight response kicking in, making us question our abilities. Even seasoned speakers get nervous. The fear of making a fool of ourselves can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be a self-fulfilling prophecy. The first step to conquering this fear is understanding that the audience wants you to succeed. They are there to listen, to learn, and to support you. Preparation is key. Knowing your material inside and out shifts your focus from internal anxiety to engaging with your audience confidently. Practice makes perfect. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become. Join groups like Toastmasters to get constructive feedback and improve your skills. Mental rehearsal can transform your mindset. Visualize your success, hear the applause, and affirm your confidence with positive statements. Relaxation techniques are essential. Deep breaths and muscle relaxation can help release nervous energy and calm your mind before stepping on stage. These strategies can help you manage your nerves and turn them into a positive force, allowing you to speak with confidence and enthusiasm. Remember, every great speaker started where you are now. Embrace the journey, and let your voice be heard. Speak with confidence, and the world will listen.